The Alpine Social Innovation Strategy, ASIS project, is supported by the European Interreg Alpine Space Programme. Its main objective is to promote a new vision of social innovation by increasing knowledge, changing behavior, and influencing attitude in alpine space regions. It aims to develop a new approach of innovation that answers specific economic and societal challenges met by each alpine area and to increase cooperation between territories and social innovation actors. Finally, ASIS project intends to define what strategy could be implemented in the alpine space area to better support and promote social innovation. Social innovation is growing as it proposes new solutions to the social and environmental challenges around the world. ASIS project aims to encourage, support, and promote social innovation in alpine space area and to do it with a series of actions. Defining social innovation, identifying challenges, training social innovation stakeholders, developing social innovation funding schemes, and adapting public policies to social innovation challenges. ASIS project will lead to the development of new strategic actions that can be implemented by national, regional, or local public authorities to support and encourage social innovation on their territories. Join in the conversation. Propose your own solutions, public policy recommendations, and actions.